y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a very special video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Mele Plump It Up Nourishing Cream. This cream was sent to me by Influenster, and also this video is in collaboration with the Savvy Specialist. We were both the same campaign on Influencer. We decided to do a collaboration video. I believe Charlene has oily skin like myself, so I'm interested to really see what she think about this cream that was sent to both of us. If you're not familiar with Influencer, basically Influencer is an app where you go on there and you review different products, you give your honest feedback, and eventually, and the reason why I'm saying eventually, to keep just leaving reviews of different stuff, and then over a period of time you start receiving Vox Box, and when you receive one, trust me, you're going to receive a lot. I don't know why this month I got like 4 or 5 of them. I'm not even gonna make videos on the products I receive, but you do get a lot of cool stuff. You get beauty products. I've even received food from Influencer before, so I'm gonna have my link below. So if you're interested in signing up, use my link to sign up. And also, if you have a YouTube channel and reviewing beauty products that can be a little costly, I highly suggest you go sign up for Influencer, especially if you are reviewing different things on YouTube. It will come in handy when you least expect it. But anyway, y'all, don't forget to go over to the Savvy Specialist channel once you finish watching mine, and like and subscribe to her channel as well. Okay, I was sent this again by Influencer. It actually came in the box with the card and everything. I threw mine away before I actually knew me and Charlene was going to do a collaboration video. If I would have known that, I would have probably kept it, but I threw mine in the trash. I'll probably insert a picture of what it looked like somewhere, because I think I posted it on my IG. But anyway, Melé is a black-owned skincare brand that's sold at Target and Ulta, but I would suggest picking this up at Target because there is like a $2 price difference. I know that's not a lot, but if you're trying to save some money, go to Target if you're interested in picking this up. But anyway, I did a 5-day wear test on this product, and this is a moisturizer cream that has niacinamide. It's paraben. It is recommended for dry skin, combo skin, and mature skin. I guess I will fall right at mature skin because I'm in my mid-30s, so I believe I'm right there at mature skin. It's supposed to even out the skin tone, also give you a fresh, hydrated look. I will say that this definitely gives you a hydrated, radiant look. I have oily skin, so I'm not a huge fan of creams. I don't like cream moisturizer because I just feel like they're too thick and they're too heavy. I prefer a gel moisturizer, so when I got this, I was a little hesitant. Felt like this was going to clog my pores up. I just knew I was going to break out within a couple days. This is supposed to plump up the skin, even out your skin tone. I only use this for 5 days. I have not used this for like an extended period of time. I noticed within the 5 days of me using it, I do feel like my skin looked more radiant. I noticed I had I think like a dark mark around on my chin. I first started using this, and I know by day 5 that mark kind of faded a little bit. I'm not sure if it came from this because this is supposed to brighten and do some other things already. This does have niacinamide and vitamin B. I think I'm kind of like in the middle with it. I don't love it and I don't hate it. Yes, this does add hydration back into your skin. When you put this on, your face does look super hydrated, moisturized, and everything. It's a little too hydrating for me right now. When I've been testing this out, I made sure all the 5 days that I wore this, except for today, I did not wear any makeup because I really wanted to see what this looks like on my skin. With this on, I was extremely oily. Like, yes, I get oily in my T-zone, but I feel like this just added extra shine to my skin that I don't like. This is a plumping cream. I feel like this would be great underneath the eyes. Like, I will use this right now as an eye cream, and I will use it at night, but using this during the day, more targeted towards people with dry skin and combo skin and mature skin. Yes, I feel like I have mature skin. If they took mature skin away from who this was targeted towards, clearly it's not targeted towards me. I have oily skin. I'm going to use this at night. Now, at night, I do a lot of detox masks and a lot of exfoliation, and I want to put a lot of hydration back into my skin. I feel like this will be perfect for me as a night cream. And probably once it get a little colder, fall, winter, I probably will try to use this as a daytime moisturizer. This is not a good moisturizer if you have oily skin in the summertime. This is definitely just too much hydration for me right now in June when it's like 95 degrees. Like, I don't need that much hydration. Now at night, it's a different story. We'll definitely use this at night. I am going to go out and purchase it because I want to try it as night cream, but during the day, if you have dry skin, this was made for you. Out and pick it up. Support is black owned. Combo, I don't know, maybe you have to try it out yourself and see what you think. So those are my thoughts on the Mele Plump It Up Nourishing Cream. Check out the Savvy Specialist channel, and if you're interested in signing up for Influencer, click on the link. I will have it below, and also I will have it somewhere on the screen. So yeah, that is it, y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.